Good evening, everybody. It is Bobby at Two Pops Breaks on Friday, March the 10th. We're breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It's a one box or one envelope break. We randomed up our 32 remaining boxes. 33 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams, customers. Alphabetized everybody. Gave you all a chance to trade. Nothing happening on the trades though, so we're gonna get in our first break of the night here. If my damn tickets would come out there. There they are. Alright, here we go. Bam. Well, going to be the Shaq O'Neal jersey for the half and half. That's going to the Lakers spot, obviously, guys. And this could have stayed in there a little while more, too, man. Hitting a lot of big stuff here early on, man. Bam! Gonna be our second Bobby Orr product in the first 5 friggin' boxes, man. That sucks balls, too. Bobby Orr for the NHL Boston spot. Sacramento going to get the repeat there, folks. Nothing else in your envelope. Alright, who has Lakers? Wow, SD continuing his damn winning ways there. Going to take home the Shaq, who is NHL. Going to be the Jody's first hit of the series there, guys. I hope it's not one of them series where we keep hitting all the stuff like that, man. Alright, Sacramento is going to be a Crowley. Repeat on that one. Let me grab again, bud. You know what that looks like. I'm not going to unwrap the Orr. I will grab the Shaq, though. Beautiful Shaq O'Neal, half and half, a JSA sticker on that, bud. And a card. Refold this baby. Well, guys, we're hitting like crazy. It's a killer series, and we are pulling pretty damn nice for you, guys. Yeah, gee, I'm sorry. We're only 5 boxes in, though, guys, so... Alright, here we go. Damn, we're pulling like crazy there. Alright, let me bring up our... Alright, so one of Crowley's comes out. One of SD's. Whoops, not Kyle. Matt's. It's Matt. There he is. Matt. 11 times. And guys, this is for the end of series giveaway of the Ja Morant. Another big hit at the end for you there. 8, 9, 10. Alright, 11 times, guys. I got SD and Kyle going to be the qualifiers there. That is 7 and 8, or 9 and 10, I'm sorry, 9 and 10 on the qualifiers, guys, as we are 5 boxes into the series, 31 boxes left, hitting a lot of nice stuff for you, too. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Pops Breaks.